Hinge repair on HP 14S-CF0057TU. Thank you to Suramram for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional repair shop for Hinge repair is a wise decision to ensure durability, stability, and the long-term functionality of the device. Hinge issues are more than just cosmetic. A loose or damaged hinge can worsen over time, potentially leading to a range of serious structural and functional problems. If left unaddressed, a compromised hinge can cause stress on the laptop screen, resulting in misalignment or screen cracks, and even affect the integrity of the laptop casing, which may expose internal components to potential damage. Attempting a hinge repair without the right tools or experience can lead to further complications or even break other parts of the laptop, making the problem more costly and complex to fix. By choosing a professional repair service, you ensure that skilled technicians use the appropriate tools and techniques to restore the hinge securely. This precision ensures that the hinge is not only repaired but realigned properly, preserving the laptop's original stability and reducing stress on the screen and internal parts. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Hinge repair is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your hinge repaired too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.